The 2026 Sherco 125 SEF Factory is a state-of-the-art two-stroke enduro machine tailored for riders seeking lightweight agility, explosive performance, and premium factory-grade components. As part of Sherco's 2026 lineup, it builds on a legacy of French craftsmanship and competition-ready design. Sherco, known for its trials and off-road motorcycles, manufactures these enduro machines in Nimes, France. Design and ergonomics. This model features striking new 2026 graphics and an eye-catching blue plastic kit that accentuates its aggressive enduro styling. Chassis and handling. Sherco focused on chassis improvements for a better front-end feel and enhanced handling characteristics. The motorcycle employs a semi-perimeter high-strength chrome molybdenum steel frame, offering an ideal balance of rigidity and compliance. Engine and performance. Powered by a 124.8 cc liquid-cooled two-stroke single-cylinder with an electronically controlled power valve system. Carburation comes from a KN/PWK36 unit. Output is managed via a 6-speed gearbox, powering through a 520 O-ring chain. It includes race-oriented features like a Brembo hydraulic clutch, an electric starter, a 220W alternator, and a 12V 140A lithium battery. Suspension and wheels. The front suspension consists of a KYB 48mm closed cartridge fork with 300mm travel and tunable hydraulic damping. At the rear, there's a KYB shock offering 330mm wheel travel, matched with a spring with specific rate tuning. It rolls on Excel rims. Rear, fitted with Michelin Enduro medium tires for rugged terrain. Braking and control. Equipped with Brembo hydraulic disc brakes, 260mm front and 220mm rear, for strong, consistent stopping power. Enhancements include a Galfer rear brake disc, which reduces weight and improves braking performance. Other upgrades: Oxia lock-on grips, better comfort and durability, a nylon seal on the steering column to reduce friction and protect against mud, a refined starter lever with friction bushings, and a new exhaust valve system for improved response and lower weight. Ergonomics and dimensions. Despite being packed with performance parts, it's still lightweight at around 94 lb dry, translating to roughly 43 kg with 355mm ground clearance and a 1,465mm wheelbase. It's built to tackle aggressive terrain with agility. Seat height measures approximately 950mm, 37.4 inches, offering a balanced riding posture.